MY380F solid ink roll coding machine. It fits for printing code on plastic sachet, premade LLDPE pouch, aluminum plastic composite bag, and so on. Adopt solid ink hot coding, characterized by high definition, instant printing and instant dry, and strong adhesion, automatic counting, adjustable printing position, adjustable coding thickness, coding speed up to 300 times/minute, easy to operate. These codes provide the consumer with important information, such as the expiry date, the production date, and the batch number. If you print one line at a time, with up to 11 characters per line, a solid ink roller can print approximately 50,000 times. The hot solid ink roller is composed of ink and a sponge carrier. This video shows the results of a high-temperature cooking test.